So we're making a pit stop. Brandon's been here before. I have not. But apparently they have the best sandwiches
in the world.
In the world?
In the world.
We'll find out about that.
Real ranch water. Boom.
Morning. We're gonna head out and do a little snapper fishing this today. Stop by the marina and get some bait. Rolling around with everybody. Come on. So we made it offshore. It was a little bumpy ride, but it's a good time. We're hooked up to the rig, and we're gonna try and get the gear out, get baits and everything, and then we'll get to fishing. So once again, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, give us a like. It really helps us out. So stay tuned, and hopefully we get some fish in the boat.
Husband wifey.
Oh yeah? Yeah, just take your time with it.
So both Jared and Jenna are hooked up. Whoa! Get in the boat. Look at that.
Nice old mangrove.
Oh yeah.
Well, we were hooked up on one. Jenna got in a pretty nice mangrove snapper. And Jared was hooked up, but I think he broke off. There's some big ones down there. That's for sure.
A triggerfish?
Yeah. Really good, dude.
Add to your species list.
Trigger. Right here. No. Hell yeah. First trigger fish. Yeah.
Congrats. That's a funky looking fish. Ew. Hold up.
Oh yeah. First trigger fish. Pretty cool.
That is an ugly fish.
There you go, pull him out of there. Little one. Pull him out of there.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
He's still there? Oh. Hell yeah.
Oh.
go.
Hang on.
Come on.
Hang on, Jared.
Hell yeah.
Oh, bent rod, baby. Oh! Brandon, get it. Hell yeah, boys. Right when Kia said, oh, we're gonna leave. Oh, yeah. He said it may have been a shark.
Yep, they were. A lot of times when they run out, they don't run out.
Yeah, he broke them.
Yeah, I was running like out. Most time a snapper or whatever, but straight. Broke everything, Jared? Yeah.
Ooh.
Broke crazy.
Both sharks. They both broke. Oh man, they broke y'all completely off.
It's some sharks. We're actually gonna move them.
All right. A little fun fight though.
Yeah. Black tips, probably most likely.
Black tips? There's been shark not once, not twice, but 3 times since we've started. And you said they run out instead of down?
Yeah.
Yep. And they break you off.
Like a snapper or like an amberjack or whatever. They're like reef fish, so their first instinct is to pull you back down into the reef, you know?
Yeah, the shark was running out with you. It's okay.
We don't get it. We'll go way above it and everybody get baited up. And then I'll say, all right, now down, everybody drop down, we'll kind of drift over. Make a couple drops and then we'll reset. You're going all the way to the bottom again? Yeah.
We're gonna head to a new spot down the reef a little further.
Spit on that a little bit. And then go back over the hook with that same loop you had, you know? Like the same loop. Alright. Pull it all back. Oh. I missed my loop.
I don't know. No?
Boy, don't do it.
No? No? Hopefully not. Come on, be a fish.
Like maybe not that way. Was it close automatically to do that? Or do I have to close it? That's how I do
God dang. He's not messing around.
You want to put that back in?
Oh, there's Keenan. Oh.
Dude! Freaking tax man.
Oh no. Oh my god. Well, shit.
Dang old tax man. There he goes.
He always gets his, huh? It looks like he's going down. I mean, it might be a fish. You want one of the... Woo! That's a fish. I don't think it's a shark.
Yeah. Lean back, pull up a
Yeah,
little bit.
there you go. You want to help her? Help her out. Yeah, help her get the weight off of it. Yeah. There we go. There we go.
Lean back.
That's a fish. Lean back.
There you go.
And look, now go in with it while it's in. And
Pull
then
up and reel.
back and reel. And then just go back in with it.
Pull back and
Use
then
your
reel
legs,
down. Reel while you're going down. There you go. Pull
Yep,
up,
and now back.
reel down. Like
Reel
while you're
back.
going down,
There
reel. There you go.
You got
Pull
it.
up, all the way up.
There you go. Is it moving, Brittany, or no?
Yeah, reel down. Perfect.
She's got something on there.
Oh, yeah?
Perfect. Just like that.
It's like pulling it out though, Abram.
You got it, girlfriend. She's like, I do.
She might go next one.
He had y'all tricked. It's a nice size shark, that's for sure.
Yeah, let me get rid of that, bro. Are you around the
You got to try to gas.
I didn't, but they said it's probably 6 foot. Oh, like a 10-footer. Yeah.
There's the bait, there's the shark right there.
Sharks are heavy.
She says no shit.
They were heavy. That is a good sized shark, man.
Dude. Jenna, you're a boss.
Going out.
He got tired.
Wear him out.
We literally thought she was hung up on something. We're just going in circles, trying to unhook her from it, and
Turns out it's a pretty big shark.
big 6-footer. Let's see. I mean, how many times out of 10 do they break it off? I mean, they've broken off so much of our line this morning. I know. Come on. That's it. Oh my god. So, Jenna caught her first shark. Actually, first offshore fish was a shark. Yep. Fought for a good 15 minutes and she slow pooped.
Pretty gas.
We're gonna change spots. Hopefully we can get away from them. I'm just glad we brought one to the boat because it was getting frustrating losing all of them and losing all of our tackle and
I
stuff.
thought my
And
line was going to get broken.
Yeah.
For sure. I'm
Yeah.
surprised. Especially with them going back under the boat.
Yes.
I was like, that's
yeah, we for sure thought you were hooked on something. So, fish on. There it is. Don't get sharked.
I got one.
There it is.
First red snapper in the boat. Didn't get taxed this time.
Okay, now we got some action. Get up, there you go. Keep going. Oh yeah. Getting them in the boat now. Well, there's one here, and Keenan's hooked up.
Oh no, you got me. Babe.
That's a decent freaking fish. We got both. You want both? Oh boy. Oh no. Whoa. What is that? Oh, cool. Beautiful finish.
boy. There you go, Jared. Thanks. There you go. You got it? Come on. There it is. There you go. Look at old Megs. It is.
Hi. Frit's turn. Oh my God. Yeah, she is. She's intense. Don't get it. Don't get it. But I did it. But I did it. Come on.
Right there.
Oh! Yeah, girl! Yes! Hell yes. You're just thinking about it.
When you on reel, you just come right out just like that.
You got bit. It's got bite marks.
Yeah, like a shark is trying to get it.
Look at your shadow. Hold on. Tried to be shark bait. Text man tried. Look. Oh, you're getting my thing in there.
There we go.
Drive it down. That's how I need to
There we go. There we go. Big old boy. That's what we're looking for. Hell yeah. There he is. Hell yeah. In the box.
Yeah, it's a lot shallower here, so you might be able to get away with just dropping it down, you know?
So we were on our way back in, made a quick pit stop to try one more place. Jared's hooked up on something. Oh, a little snapper, yeah.
It's a big baby snapper.
They're here. Look how cute. Oh my God. All right.
He's a cute one.
Oh yeah, okay. They're so pretty.
Shark.
Dude, the sharks are out today.
Yeah,
No, that's not the same fish.
might be a snapper. Yeah, hopefully.
Get it, baby.
You never know. Freaking huge snapper.
Yeah!
Hell yeah! Nice, dude. Hell yeah. son. That's what we came for. Big red snapper.
That's about a 12, 13 pounder, man.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
16-1 first place yesterday.
Right?
So
Put it in there.
Yep. They've been pretty. Actually, those two.
I was doing that out.
Pretty good. Yeah. I like it. I'm glad it wasn't short.
That is a cooler. Cooler snapper. That was a hell of a way to finish the day, though, Brandon.
It was.
We're gonna head back. Y'all say bye. Dude's like working his way in. Good day on the water, for sure.
Oh yeah.
There's lots of fish in that cooler.
Tough. It was tough, but it wasn't too. Alright. Didn't get skunked. We got it done.
We're going home with some snapper. I'm so excited. That's the best part.
Well, we made it back. We got the snapper in the ice chest, and we're gonna hang out, get something good to eat, and then hopefully do it again tomorrow. So if you like the video, like it, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the page. You just get notifications when we post videos and stuff, so every time we post a video, you'll get notified. You don't have to come look for it. But good day all in all. We'll try to do it again tomorrow and get some more fish, and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.
Out.